Hi, welcome back to MS Excel 2013 tutorial. In this in this video, we're going to be having a look at working with your borders and your fill tool. Right, what are borders? Why do we need them? Well, first of all, borders are very, very important so that we can actually batch off or border off or close off certain areas of text so that we can see that they're related. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to just go through the tool with you, the border tool. To get to the border tool, go to your font group over here, click on the drop down arrow, and here we have a list of the different borders that are available. Bottom border, top border, left border, right border. Now those four will put individual borders on each side of the cell. No borders removes the borders. All borders will put borders around all my cells within my table array. Outside borders will place a border outside of your table array, and then a thick border will be placed as a thick border around your table array. Bottom double border, thick bottom border, and top bottom borders, top and thick bottom borders, and top and double bottom borders are basically used for accounting to show where totals are. And then we've got certain tools over here that we can use for drawing borders. First of all, we've got the draw border tool, which I'll show you in a minute. Then you've got your border grid tool, your erase tool, line color, line style, and at the bottom there more borders. Right, so first thing that we're going to do with here is we're going to select our table array, and we're now going to go in and we're going to put a external border, thick external border. Then we're going to go and we're going to tell it all borders. Now notice it's taken the thick border away. So what we do, we go back now and select thick border. So there's our borders added. So we can now see row by row, column by column, what information fits where. Then I'm going to select the top over here, and instead of use a thick border, and then going down, thick border in each one of these columns. Also, I can use my format painter. I can come here now and click on it, and notice how it's automatically formatted and added my line there. So it's going to carry on adding our thick borders. And then lastly, my border over here. That's how easy it is to add borders. If I want to remove borders, I can go and remove the borders here. I can remove the right border. Select everything here. We can remove our left border, and so we can add and remove borders as we want. Let's have a look at some of the other tools over here. At the bottom, I can put a bottom border. Select a bottom border. Select where I want to put the bottom border, and then click on bottom border. And notice how it's added the bottom border there for me. Right, let's just go down quickly here to the border tool, and here we can use various tools to go in and draw a border. So let's take our first draw border over here. I can select my border that I want to draw using the pencil. I can put across, I can put down, So as you can see, your draw tool is quite useful. I can go in, I can change line colors, put some cross ones over here, there we go, another one across here, and there we go. There we go. So you can now see how the tools work. Right, to go back, I want to now go in, and I'm going to take that off. You're back to our crosshair. Right, so what we're going to do now, the last thing for this in this video is we're going to go in and add some color. To add color, I'll select the cells where I want to add the color, and I go to my fill tool over here as I showed you in the previous video, and I can add my colors that I want. And we can make our lettering red. And there you have it. And there you have it. Right, we've come to the end of this video. Please go back to your MS Excel and play around with the border tool and the coloring. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.